Hello friends, this is Gokul from Gokul Tech, and today in this video what we are going to see is how to convert a date function in Excel into fiscal year and quarter. So why we need to convert into fiscal year is because fiscal year is nothing but a financial year where it depends on the org or the company which they are following their terms. Few organizations they are following their fiscal year starting from the month of April to March, or else from October to September, July to June. It depends upon the companies, right? So in that case, if you want to calculate the fiscal quarter and year to perform multiple tasks, right, it will be very difficult to do the work. So here I have the solution for you. Just with a simple formula, we can able to achieve that. Let's start with today's simple session of converting the dates into fiscal quarters and years. So simple formula, which is our choose, and in the syntax it will ask you to give index number. So to get the index number, I am going to give the month formula, and then I am taking the date. Close the bracket, and now let's consider for me my fiscal year starts from the month of April. So 4, and I can give comma. This is for May, and this is for June, right? Next, from then after you are giving it for the month of April, right? Next it should start from 1. Why? Because the quarter value is always from 1 to 4. So we have to give 3 because we are segregating into 3 months, right? Then close the bracket, hit enter. You can see the values are automatically updated as per the date which we have given. So 1/4 is my first quarter. So if you want to give the Q value in between, you can merge it by giving it in double quotes and joining it using the ampersand signature. Click enter. The complete figure you can got it as a Q4, Q1, Q2 and Q3. It belongs to our date which we have provided. So to calculate the fiscal year, what we are going to do is we are going to segregate it into 2 parts. Give the if condition and take the month value of the date, and if my month value is less than 10, because my fiscal month starts from the month of April, right? So April to October will be my first 6 months. So what I am giving is 10. Then return me the year of the same year. So what I can do is return me the same year, right? So return me the year of this particular date, or else I have to get the year of this. Return me the year of this date plus 1. Hit enter. So you can see wherever we have the Q3 which is more than the value of 12 or the 10th month, you will get it as a 2023. So this is how we can able to calculate our fiscal quarter and year. So this is how we will work with fiscal years and quarters of the dates, and we are happy to share you the very positive intent from our subscriber, saying that he is very happy to get the practice file for which we are. As per his comment, he was happy with the video which we have shared, and he is requesting us to share the practice file. So thank you, Mr. Usman, and going forward we will be uploading the practice file in the link in a drive or a place, and then that link will be shared in the description box on each and every video. You can download and practice it. Hope you have understood this concept clearly. If you have any doubts, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to assist you in all the time. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in an exciting video. Until then, bye from us. Thank you. Have a great day and happy weekend.